keynote speaker from the Department of English, University of Kashmir. The jury for the declamation contest, Professor Irfan from Shri Pratap College and Master Shaukat Ali Sheikh from SP College, and Professor Irfan from Women's College, and Professor Rubina Jabin Khatib from Women's College. The faculty members, students, media persons, Assalamu alaikum, and a warm welcome in celebrating the National Education Day 2024.
होशियार भी हैं देखने वाले, इन मस्त निगाहों की अदा और ही कुछ है। आज़ाद हूँ और जैसे पहचान में गिरफ्तार, कह दो मुझे कि मैंने सुना कुछ और ही है।
1948, Abul Kalam said, "We must not for a moment forget it is birthright of every individual to receive at least the basic education, without which he cannot fully discharge his duties as citizen."
Thank you very much, sir.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First of all, I would like to thank you that you have paid a visit and are capturing the live ongoings of this one-day seminar, which is being celebrated today at Government College of Education, IASC, Cluster University, Srinagar. Myself, Dr. Nazir Ahmed Bhatt, heading PG Department of Education and also the coordinator of this one-day seminar. We have organized this day in order to celebrate the legacy of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, who was the first education minister of Free India. And I would like to also mention here that we are enjoying today the right to education and also free and compulsory education. It is because of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad's struggle and also because of his vision and mission. Nowadays, our children are enjoying education, this right to education as their birthright. I will also like to say that Maulana Azad was an institution. He was the greatest personality of the world in terms of, because he has contributed a lot to education, lot to political system, lot to the constitution, and also he has sacrificed everything on the unity and integrity of the country.
देखिए, जो एक तो सबसे बड़ी खुशी की बात यह है कि ये कॉलेज जो है नेशनल एजुकेशन डे जो है ऑर्गेनाइज किया इसने जो है, और यहाँ पे बच्चों को बुलाया और इन्होंने यहाँ सिटी कॉलेजेस के जितने बच्चे हैं सबको इनवाइट किया इन्होंने जो है, और उनसे जो है कम से कम कि हमारी जो फ्यूचर जनरेशन है एटलीस्ट दे शुड नो अबाउट द कंट्रीब्यूशन विच आवर फोर फाउंडर्स हैव मेड इन द फील्ड ऑफ एजुकेशन।